Good morning. So I'm going to try something a little new for me today. I'm going to, first of all, pour a dirty cup of paint, which just a lot of paint mixed on the background, pour it off. And so get the extra paint off and then use silicone dipped in a little, probably a Q-tip or something, to see if I can get some cells in the shape of a flower to come up. And then I plan to swipe around the outside of the flower to get the shape and to get another background. I'm going to swipe with white up there. And then I'm going to swipe the bottom third or the foreground of the painting with black. And then I have another little thing I'm going to try with the leaves. So let's just get started. I'm going to pour 3 cups for this. They're tiny cups. This canvas is only an 8 by 8. And so I'm going to basically do them the same. I'm just making 3 so that I'll make sure that I have enough. And I want to keep a little contrast going here, so I'm going to alternate between light and dark. And I want some colors to come up that are floralish, floral like a flower. So I'm putting some of those colors in. As you know, if you've been watching my channel, I don't plan too detailed. I'm not a very good planner. I just like to experiment. And that's what we're going to do today. I already forgot my plan to put some paint in between these colors for contrast, like white or something. So I'll do that in a second. I was focusing on getting colors that might be in a flower, but I do want some contrast. I have no idea how this will turn out. It's a complete experiment for me, which is my favorite way of pouring paint, just to see what happens. I did mix all of this paint up the other day to bring with me. I'm not in my studio, I'm somewhere else, so I had to bring all my supplies with me. It's hard for me to stick to any sort of simple palette, so I'm just playing by adding some color, and we'll see what happens here. What do we want to do? Do we want to repeat ourselves? Why not? I don't think I'm going to need all this paint, but it's not stopping me from using it, because if I don't, I'll just do it on another canvas. All right, I think we're just about ready. Why not? All right, I'm just gonna, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do this. It's pretty. I think 2 is going to be enough for this, maybe more than enough. So I will stop here and tilt. We'll save that other cup for later. And I'll put it out of the way. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, I like that. Gosh, maybe I don't want to do anything. Maybe I don't want to make this the background for this. That is so pretty as is. I kind of like it. Oh, what do I want to do? I want to get me some little stands here. That's what I want to do. All right. I may have changed my mind a little bit because this is so pretty. I don't think I'm going to improve upon it with a swipe. That's what I think.